Hey Matt, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So taking a look at your site, got a nice header here. You got, of course, your name. You got different drop-down menus with the services, as well as Instagram and Facebook, which is awesome. And then going through, you talk about what you are and your dedication to excellence, which is awesome. Then not much else, unfortunately. um, I know you talk custom installations of all wood flooring, but you don't really show and like go either hardwood floors or engineered floors or LVP. What style floors? I know you can go to services, but it's something that you'd want to put in the homepage because you want to put 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. The reason for that is so that you can put organic keywords throughout your content. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google in order to find your specific service. But before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes about your website. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. Now, the two things we look at are the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of your website, which as you can see is no data, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your site. As you can see, that's 0. Now, ideally, we want these in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, that's what we call the golden ratio. And the way we do that are with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink for Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a very spammy site. However, a backlink from a flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So you have 2 of them. Let's check what they are. Sunrise Flooring and Affordable Floors Jackson. So these 2, unfortunately, won't help you out at all. So I know you're in Augusta. I said Augusta. I know you're in Augusta, so let's check out one of the top words in Augusta, Georgia. So top one, flooring, Augusta, Georgia. So first thing you're going to see is the GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is very important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 people. Not because they're the best, that's just the easiest thing to do. They're the top 3. Then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, your top competitor, Augusta Flooring. Now, they're kind of cheating because their name is Augusta Flooring, but hey, they got there first. So taking a look at the website, they still do have a nice site. They have their header, they have a click to call, which is awesome. They have their drop down menus, as well as they show what they do, but they don't really talk about what they do, which is unfortunate. They're running into the same problem where they don't have enough content. However, let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number 1. So we put them in to Ahrefs, and their strength is a 10, and their trust is a 0.2. So they have stuff they can work on as well. But what they are doing really well are their backlinks. As you can see, they have 644 different backlinks helping them along, as well as they have over 500 different organic buyer intent keywords throughout their site. So let's check what their buyer intent words are. So Augusta Flooring, that's their name. That's still something someone would put in if they're looking for flooring in Augusta. So I'd say only 200 of these are like people searching for Augusta Flooring Company. The other 200 are actually searching. And since they're position 1, they're getting a lot of traffic from that. But Flooring Augusta, Georgia, 300 people, they're in the first real position. 66 people are coming to their site from that. Hardwood Floors, 90, they're in the second position, 13. Flooring installation, or flooring installation, yeah, 70 first. As you can see, because they're ranking for good buyer intent words, they're getting that traffic through their site from it. So if we're looking to get that traffic for yourself, first things first, you got to get those backlinks up. You want to beat out your competition in backlinks. They have over 600. You want over 700. You want about 750 to make sure you beat them out. The great thing is, you know where to start. They have 644. You can take those, add them to yours because they're working for them. They'll work for you. You take the good ones, that'll be perfect. And then, of course, you add your own on top of that to get more than them and beat them out. And then you want that content. So on your homepage alone, you want 1,500, 2,000 words and put your services on as well. So your hardwood, your LVP, your laminate, engineer, all those services, you want to put them and explain them a little on your homepage. And then, of course, on your service page, you want to split these up. You don't want them all on the same page because that'll confuse Google. You do want a separate page for each of your different services with about 500 to 750 words, so that you can place buyer intent words throughout your content for your separate pages as well. Put those two together, you're going to have a strong site that's looking to rank for great buyer intent words. You should start seeing more traffic through your site and more calls through your website. Now, Matt, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome.